When you're working with non-actors, the thing that I know as a director, because I've taken a lot of acting courses, rule number one, hire great acting coaches. And the newbies, they work extensively with acting coaches. So then when they're on set with me, I'm tweaking and fine tuning. But if everybody's relaxed and in the moment, then they're just responding to each other because things happening in the moment and people listening and responding. And that's the simple thing that you can ask an actor to do is just to listen. There's a science to it. Cast well, get acting coaches for people who are less experienced, and make sure you have your actors listening to each other on set. We would rehearse. So I did that just so the new actors would get comfortable in their setting, but I rehearsed with experienced actors too, just so like we can weed out anything that kind of comes out we need to address, so we're not doing it on set and on production time. You want to have a team and a core group of people that you can work with from project to project to project.